How to use ChatGPT with Shopify. In this video, I will be showing you 4 techniques in order you can use ChatGPT for to improve your Shopify overall quality. So the number one thing is creating marketing content. Use ChatGPT to quickly create marketing content like social media posts, blogs, or emails. You can also use it to rewrite content for different publication channels, to rework a blog into marketing email, optimizing existing content for search, or proof content for spelling or grammatical errors. ChatGPT also lets you provide voice and tone parameters, specify a tone, or feed it source data like your own blog post and ask it to create new content using the same tone. Because this is a relatively small amount of training data, be prepared to revise the content to reflect your unique brand voice more accurately. So the second thing is provide customer support. You can use a third-party plugin to integrate ChatGPT into your customer service platform, train the tool on company information, and configure it to answer common customer questions and escalate difficult cases to a member of your customer support team. ChatGPT-powered API integration can also assist with data entry and automate specific tasks like updating customer profiles or creating support tickets. Human customer service agent can also use a ChatGPT as an AI assistant. The tool can efficiently generate personalized and comprehensive responses to queries. So the number third thing is summarize content. ChatGPT can summarize articles or reports, speeding up your research process by distilling complex topics into few quick key points. Note that the tool cannot retrieve information from URLs or external databases, so you must paste content directly into the application to use this feature. It also cannot read longer than 4,096 characters, so you might need to split up longer pieces into several sections. Conduct market research. ChatGPT can provide information about our market size, segments, customer demographics. It can also identify challenges, opportunities, and trends, substantiate claims with relevant statistics, and rewrite concise research previews to accompany reports. Keep in mind that the free version of ChatGPT does not yet have access to the information about anything that happened after September 2021, so supplement its research to identify more recent trends. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful.